Was it short-sighted to have so much vitriol, so much venom, so much rhetoric on a daily basis, convincing millions of Pakistanis, angering them about the so-called American connection, and thus alienating Washington, alienating the Biden administration, which today calls you a private citizen and won't back you up, even though clearly you need that backing?
Listen, Vajad, I don't want any backing from anyone. Look, if the people of Pakistan decide that they want to elect me as the prime minister, fine. If they don't, I don't care. I mean, I've seen everything. I've been to the top. I mean, I have more love and respect in this country than anyone else. Why would all the 12 parties together, including the military establishment, with one aim, somehow the whole policy is how to get rid of one man? You know, the whole country's democracy is being dismantled just to get rid of one man. So I have more love and respect in this country. I don't care whether I become the prime minister or not. But the truth is that this is exactly what happened. How humiliating is it for a country? How come the US thinks of me as anti-American? Why don't they ask the question that how could their official make such an arrogant statement that a country should, an ambassador should give a message to get rid of the elected prime minister? And you didn't think that there should be any response because the US would be annoyed with me? I mean, I should shut up and allow this thing to happen? Well, you know, if they are angry at me, so be it. I mean, all I want the US, I don't want any backing for myself. They professed values. The Western values are democracy, human rights, rule of law. Whenever they have to whip up China in Hong Kong or in Uyghurs or the Russians, they use these things. All I want them to do is to say all these things are being violated in Pakistan: human rights, custodial torture going on, democracy being dismantled. They should talk about that. I don't care if they say nothing about me. I'm quite happy being a private citizen.